Well, hello. We're doing Funko Mystery Minis. That's kind of cool because I really love those.
This is the location.
This is the location of plus Five Nights at Freddy's 4, if you just look at that. Now, Quinn, you do the honors of opening it.
Okay. So I'm just use the scissors. Nope, I don't need scissors.
He's hoping for,
Ennard.
I want, Nightmare Bonnie.
Yep.
But,
Honest. Oh, wait. Okay, there we go.
Now, open the mystery bag.
Be careful. Okay, this is...
No, use the scissors.
Okay. There's the scissors.
Do I help you? I'll make a little slit for you so you can just open it like a... Okay?
Okay.
I'll just make a little slit.
You're doing it off camera.
Okay, there you go.
Alright.
So where's it going to be? If it's the devil, I'll be... Jacko Chica! She is a 1 in 36.
Okay.
She has her little pumpkin.
Yeah, instead of a cupcake, little pumpkin. What is wrong with her hand? That is weird.
No, it's feathers.
Oh, okay. Feathers. My animatronics have feathers.
She doesn't. That's just how.
What? Why is there a beak on her mouth?
Because that's how the nightmare characters are. Because this is like basically Nightmare Chica.
Yeah.
But it's Jacko Chica for the Halloween update.
Yep.
Yeah, and here's all the characters.
Yeah,
I didn't say all the rare.
I want Ennard,
I want
Nightmare Bunny.
Also, in the new Twisted ones, I really want a Lolbit. Lolbit.
What? That's
No, this one doesn't have it.
Oh,
There's also
that's a cute golden Freddy.
Okay, so I'll show you all the characters. So there's Nightmare Freddy, Nightmare Foxy, Nightmare Baby, Nightmare
Nightmare Baby.
There's Nightmare Freddy, Nightmare Foxy, Baby, Funtime Freddy, Nightmare Cupcake, Ballora, Nightmare Chica, Nightmare Bonnie, Ennard, Fredbear, Nightmare Mangle. That's one of the rarest. Please, can you not copy me when I talk? And Nightmare BB, Jacko Chica, and Fun and Foxy.
We got Jacko Chica and Nightmare On.
Nightmare On. And the rarest characters are Nightmare Mangle and Nightmare Cupcake that are 1 in 72.
Okay. And the pumpkin has little white eyes like Hero Brian.
Yeah, can I show?
Yeah.
So if you look up close to it.
Oh, what? Oh, there we go.
A little bit, yeah, if you look at that withering on that forehead, like, look at those eyes, I think they're...
Yeah, they're, like, glowed. Wait, let me see on the box.
Yeah, but can I, like, show it off? Also, she has
yeah, they're glowing on
nails,
the box.
And she actually is holding the little pumpkin.
Oh, in the background of the box, I think that's, like, Ennard or something.
And maybe a scooping room, and she has, like, little withered feet and a little bit.
Oh, yeah, withered feet.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. Instead of let's party, let's eat.
Yeah, because Toy Chica says let's party.
And this is let's eat.
Can you not be my Echo, Quinn?
Echo? What do you mean Echo?
What's your favorite thing about it, bud?
I don't really. What is that?
That's her bib.
Bib?
Oh, the withering where her like waist is?
Yeah.
Her waist withering?
Her waist withering. Oh, it says stuff on her feet. It's weird.
Like Funko
Oh,
stuff.
it's like little scratch on the bottom. See that? Oh, but
it's called withering. Just withering all over this.
Withering.
Because it's in the nightmare in FNAF 4.
Yeah.
And FNAF 4 has like kind of, they're very withered and nightmarish.
I'm going to destroy this. I can't.
Destroying a bag.
I can't. I can put her back inside, but no use for that.
Well, I think that's it that we have to show.
There's Fun and Foxy, Nightmare
On. On the
Nightmare
box,
On.
there's like a couple characters. Also, I feel like Fun and Freddy would be a cool character.
Oh yeah, he is.
His look Bon mostly.
Wait a second. Oh yeah,
Okay,
look at Bon.
I think that's it that we should do.
And Fun and Freddy's pretty cute. Actually, it's Red Bear.
Well, I think we should go now. So, bye.
Yep, bye.